Hey, what's up? This is Rob from Panther, and today we're going to check it out how to create this halftone letter in Photoshop. So first step, I'm going to select the type tool, click, I'm going to type in the letter M, press Ctrl T, press and hold Shift plus Alt to scale it up. As you can see, we don't have nothing yet. I'm going to select the letter T, and up here, basically, I can change the color of the letters. And this is the Inter Black. I recommend you choose some thick fonts so we can apply some blur, and that is going to make it a little bit more skinny. So I'm going to put this here, maybe scale it up. Now I'm going to go to the layers, right click, convert to smart object. I'm going to go to the filter, blur, Gaussian blur. And I'm going to make it blurry a little bit more. I'm going to go with somewhere around 50, click OK. And I also going to decrease the opacity somewhere around 75. Good, and now we're going to jump into Adobe Illustrator. And here we're going to make the lines really fast. Make sure that you're on the stroke. I'm going to select the pen tool, click here, press and hold Shift. Now you got the line. I'm going to press and hold Alt to drag it down, also press Shift to isolate. Make sure you have some distance in between, and then press Ctrl D to create a lot of copies. Long press it. It looks something like this. I'm going to select all, press Ctrl C, and now we're going to jump into Photoshop, and I'm going to press Ctrl V, go with the smart object, click OK. I'm going to press and hold Shift plus Alt, scale it up. I'm going to press and hold Shift to rotate. And you can also distort it a little more, but make sure to cover up the whole page. I'm going to double click, and I'm going to go. So these are the lines. Now I gotta go to the filter. You can see here Gaussian blur because we applied it before. Click on it, and we're gonna make this a little bit more blurry, 4.5 in my case. Click OK. And I'm gonna go to the adjustment layers. I'm gonna select the threshold, and let's see if I decrease the threshold. So I'm gonna go with a threshold that looks something like this, and I'm gonna go to the letter M, click on it, and I might decrease the there you go, the opacity. So now it's like, now the lines are going to separate each other. I can go with 60. You also can change the blur, by the way. I'm going to double click on the Gaussian blur on the lines. I'm going to rename it as lines. I'm going to double click on the Gaussian blur. You can increase the radius or decrease the radius. The profile of the lines are going to change. Maybe I'm going to go with 4. And now I'm gonna go to the letter M Gaussian blur. You can increase it, decrease it. You know, if you decrease the blur, you know, the letter M is gonna be more visible. I'm gonna go with 30. If I look at this thing a lot, it's gonna mess up my eyes. So anyways, this is how I achieve this halftone effect in Photoshop and Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye-bye.